Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Happy Hand and Tails, and this is your friendly spot to learn English more easily and quickly. And this is our day 6 of our 12 days tense series, where we will uncover all the 12 tenses, one each day, just using a whiteboard and the real life examples. So let's quickly jump into today's tense. Today we are going to talk about the tense that is past continuous tense. So let's break it down. The structure of this tense is the subject, the helping verb, that is was were because it's the past tense, plus the verb and ing because it's continuous tense. So we know whenever there is word continuous, we'll add ing. Okay? So let's move further. Let's talk about the uses of this tense. We use this tense when we are going to talk about the ongoing past actions or the interrupted actions, or to show any background scenes, like something is happening and we have to talk about something that is happening in the background, not on the front. Or for example, she was cooking when I arrived. Like interrupted actions means when one action was in process and the other started in between. Okay, like she was cooking when I arrived. Like she was already cooking, that action was in continuous, and the moment it was in action, I just arrived there. Okay. Next, for example, I was reading a book. Subject was reading a book. Okay, I was reading a book. So, and now I got so many recommendations that I should explain the things in Hindi as well to make it more comfortable to learn. So let's have the examples in Hindi also. I was reading a book means in Hindi it says मैं किताब पढ़ रहा था. Okay, she was cooking dinner. वो खाना बना रही थी. Okay, now we say they were playing badminton. वो बैडमिंटन खेल रहे थे. Got it? So, tip for today is whenever we have to talk about the long actions, we'll say use past continuous, like add ing, and when we have to talk about the short actions, we will use past simple tense. Okay, then we will not add continuous, we will use past simple tense that we did yesterday. Please watch my video for past simple tense if you are not sure about it. I have already posted that. So that's all for today. Please join us tomorrow for the next tense. And if you have any doubt or anything that is not clear to you, please ask me in the comment box, and also make a proper sentence using this past continuous tense. Okay? Let's learn and make English advanced and professional. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.